So today we're going to show you how to grout this Indian sandstone. We're going to be using this product, Flowpoint. Cement based, the best product on the market for the job. It's what you see contractors use in city centres and stuff, so this stuff lasts, I don't know, 15, 30 years. Good strong stuff. So we've cleaned our patio. It needs to be spotlessly clean. We've gone over it with a leaf blower to make sure there's no leaves in the joints. As you can see, it's nice and clean. We're going to show you how to mix it and how to clean it off. So Paul's already mixed up the quantity of water we need, 4.25 litres. You're going to need one of these to do the mixing, paddle mixer. And you're supposed to mix it for, it's 5 minutes, isn't it, Paul?
5 minutes. So
we're going to tip the bag in, mix it up for 5 minutes, and then we'll apply it to the patio. So it's mixed up now, 20 litres in that tub. 25 kilograms. We're going to use this foam squeegee. These are the best things to use to move it around. They're great. We've dampened down the surface, but we've made sure the joints are dry. So you don't want to flood the paving. You just want to give it a bit of a light mist. And now all you do is tip it out. It looks a bit messy. Tip it all out. Get your foam squeegee. You're going to move it around, and as you can see, it just floods the joints. Now you've got to move quite quickly, especially on a warm day. Today's not too bad, it's about 15 degrees at the moment, which is why we're working on a Sunday. But as you can see, it looks messy, but it's filling those joints. We're going to move this around, let it dry, and I'll do another little video in a minute. Have a little finger test on the joints to make sure it's ready for jet washing. So that's the first bag spread. It's done 8, maybe 10 square metres. So it looks a mess, so the temptation is now to get on it with a jet wash and start getting some of the cement off. But what you want to do is make sure the joint itself, when you press it, Paul, if you come and zoom in here, it's still very jelly-like. So it's been down about 4 minutes. I think it's going to take about another 10 before that joint's firm. And then we'll get on it with a jet wash and push it all off. In the meantime, if you start seeing patches like this, you see how that's starting to dry on the surface. What we'll do is we'll get the jet wash, set it on a light mist, and just give it a little dampening down, just to stop it drying on the slab. So it's been about 20 minutes now. Come and look at this joint. You press it, it's starting to firm up. You want to check 3 or 4 of them. So that's ready now for its first pass of jet washing.
Is it on?
Is it on? So we're going to jet wash it. We're going to do it in 3 or 4 passes. We're not going to try and get it spotlessly clean aggressively in one pass, because you may blow some of the joints out. So we're going to spray it from a distance and just keep going over it until it's clean. So I haven't put too much water on. You can see it's lifting off the slab really easily. So you don't want to flood it with water. We're going to use this foam squeegee again now. And just pull some of this muck off.
Yeah.
This area now, the flow point's gone off. It's absolutely solid. Nice full joints. There is a little bit of residue on there. We'll give it a final clean. We've got a couple of bags open and spread over there. We're just waiting for this to firm up now. It's probably a couple of minutes off a jet wash. We'll get this clean, we'll go back, we'll jet wash that, and then we'll give it all a blast at the end. That's the flow point in. 45 square metres, we've used 4 bags. It's already completely set. Sets within an hour. It's rock hard, brilliant product. Like I said, it's going to last at least 15 years. You're not going to have any weeds growing through. A jet wash is not going to remove it from the joints. So it is the best product to use. Another thing I forgot to mention earlier, we've left a gap here to wash off into. Tomorrow we're going to install eco drains. What you don't want to do is be washing that stuff down the drains, obviously, because it's cement. So yeah, eco drains in there tomorrow, and jobs are good. Just do a little 360, get a close up of the joint. It will dry a lighter grey. So tomorrow we'll do another few pictures. Nice one, use Flowpoint.